Alright everybody, thanks for coming to my NED talk. You are going to get an inside look about my travels in Greece for the last week. Enjoy!
Yeah, how many drinks did you Oh!
It's just part of the road missing right there.
Alright, so we found this little gorge, and I would say it's pretty gorgeous, would be my analysis of it.
I get it. Get over there too, that's crazy.
You're crazy. Crete Dave driving me around.
Wow, that's blue water.
Sure is. Here we are at the Acropolis with Dave.
We made $20 today.
And there's a lot of people, so this is cute. And there's the Parthenon. Okay, currently we're at the first Olympic Stadium. It's pretty big. And yeah, there's a lot of seats here. It's all marble, but we are sitting in the VIP section, the king and queen seats. There's two seats and they're ours. Here we have the different torches of the Olympic Games. There's more in there.
They're lit.
Tonight we're sitting on the balcony that we have at our Airbnb with some wine. So it's a nice night. And then there's Dave. We're seeing some sheeps here in the mountains. Hello, sheeps. Oh, look at all those sheeps. Sheep. Sheeps! So many sheeps! Oh, babe, they have bells! They're somebody's pets! Can you pet them? Sheep. Don't hit it, please. We found a bunny rabbit. Hi, bunny. We're currently experiencing a higher goat per hour rate because we just found some goats in a zoo in Athens. Which kitty?
Oh, look at the hell of that water.
Oh.
Carolyn, taking a risk.
Very like
Dave doesn't even record it. Oh my god, this is
So our apartment smells really bad. So this is what we do when we go past the floor. We run. We made it.
Hello, my cutie. We're gonna... Oh, you're looking so cute.
What are you doing?
There's a puppy.
Hi,
Sticky puppy.
What'd you say? What'd she say?
House tour!
Hey.
Alright, so we walk in. Here's our bathroom. It's a little bathroom. It's a cutie pie. Yeah, it is. Me. Oh, my hair is a little frizzy. It's okay. Kitchen, because we like to make our breakfast here. And then we got, I think it's like connected to another room. We got, over here we have a balcony, and we have a family outside, so I'm gonna be quiet.
Wow. That's where they are now.
But that's the road we have to walk up to get to that city. There we have Dave sitting on the couch, drinking some tea. And then now let's go upstairs. This is where the bedrooms are. Alright, so first I'll show you the bedroom we won't be staying in. Because it's the kids' room. But apparently we're so fancy that we decided we needed 2 rooms.
I didn't even know it.
I think this is all they had left. Where'd you say the left one?
Light behind you.
Oh. Here's the light. And then here's our little bedroom. It's like a little cave. It's actually, Dave, when he walks in, it's kind of tall. But that's the whole house tour.
What happened?
Alright, so that is my NED talk about Greece, my little travel blog, and probably could have been better because I didn't remember to record always, and I also didn't use the best film editing software, but I did with what I could. So that is Greece.